Telangana Minister D. Sridhar Babu explained that Chief Minister Revanth Reddy has decided to merge all Gram Panchayats and municipalities in the Greater Hyderabad region into a single administrative unit. He said the move aims to bring uniformity in governance, delivery systems and public services, especially in light of rising migration and growing demand for amenities, stressing that such mergers have occurred before. He rejected BJP's claim that this is unprecedented. He added that the number of corporations to be included is still under discussion, yet the BJP is already attempting to defame the government with allegations. The minister emphasized that the decision is driven by responsibility to ensure better administration and meet public needs effectively.
Malign the government policy issue. You know, bringing all together the villages, the municipalities into Greater Hyderabad municipal limits. Looking at our government, Mr. Revanth Reddy, the Chief Minister, to bring in a uniformity in terms of administration, to bring in a uniformity in delivery systems, to bring in the uniformity in the administration. Thought of bringing all the municipalities, Gram Panchayat within the ORR to make it a single unit. As the city is growing, as the migration is growing tenfold, and people want the amenities on the equal batter, and this is our responsibility to see. And this is not new. As the BJP proclaims, this is not the first time where the merger of the Gram Panchayat municipalities has taken place. Earlier, many a time, hundreds of times, few Gram Panchayats have merged to municipality. Few municipalities adjoining Gram Panchayats have been merged to become the corporation. And in the corporation, many Gram Panchayats again got merged to become the greater corporations, like Greater Warangal Municipal Corporation and Greater Hyderabad then. Now, when the government is on the policy to redefine the city in the new angle and to bring a uniformity in the picture, we are merging all the Gram Panchayats, municipalities into the Greater Hyderabad Corporation. And when we are designing the system, we are yet to decide how many corporations will come in this. Without deciding anything from our side, there is a basic broad idea of what we defined in the cabinet. Those people are trying to malign us through allegations and not without knowing the intent of our GO. Sorry to say. And the second thing is on a HILT policy, the transformative land policy, where we are trying to give the landowners, the land is already owned by them, the land specifically telling the land which is owned by the individuals or given a facility to change their land use into multi-use.
Minister Piyush Goyal